Select the BMR then on New Batch Record. A pop-up will appear, requiring you to specify the preparation person, supporting operators, and approving person. Alternatively, any authorized individual can approve the BMR by selecting the designated checkbox and select the area in charge. The batch records fields can be customized based on circumstances. Next, select the batch for which a record needs to be created. The batches retrieved from Oracle SQL will be displayed, or the user can create one manually. The input parameters can be previewed. Click on Insys Batch Receipt. The batches are displayed based on batch identifier and product name. Double-click or select the view icon to display the configured BMR record. The input parameters are retrieved from Oracle SQL, and users can modify the inputs as needed. By clicking Add, users can add a new input parameter by providing the required information and save it. Right-clicking allows users to edit or delete the selected parameter. Auto calculations are performed for the input and output parameters. A similar process is followed to add output parameters. User can navigate to the process execution section. Initially, the user can either start the execution or cancel the execution. Clicking the Start Execution button will reveal additional control options, including refresh, pause, cancel, and complete execution. Meanwhile, the status will be displayed as in progress on the left side, ensuring clear process tracking and seamless management. Upon starting the execution, the Start Execution, Skip Execution, and Cancel buttons will be displayed. Once the execution begins, the Pause button will also be shown. Once the step execution starts, the start time parameter will be updated, allowing the user to modify it if needed. By clicking Reload, users can refresh tag values. Additionally, they can enter any manual entries before completing the step execution. Similarly, the user can modify the end time if needed, ensuring flexibility in execution tracking. The parameters can be fetched through data sources. The procedure is repeated for the remaining steps, allowing users to modify and complete each step as needed. Navigate to Sampling section. The user can either register a sample request to the laboratory or enter the sample result by clicking on New. By clicking on Register, a pop-up will appear, allowing the user to search for the sample. If needed, they can modify the collection time, collected by, and other parameters before clicking Register to confirm the request. The request summary will be displayed by clicking Requests. The lab technician will review the requests and either accept or cancel them. Upon accepting, the Workflow button will appear, allowing the technician to navigate to sample measurement and assign it to a person. During measurement, the assigned user will enter the values and save them. Once the authorized approver reviews and approves the sample, the approved data will be reflected in the sample details section. By clicking New, the user can enter sample measurement data by selecting the sample and filling in the required fields. After entering the measured details and saving, the data will be displayed in the sampling section. Once data entry is complete, the user can submit the batch record for approval by clicking Set Complete. This action will trigger an automated email notification to the designated approvers, informing them that the record is ready for review and approval. Authorized personnel can review the batch record and either approve or reject it. Upon their decision, an automated email notification will be sent, informing relevant users whether the batch manufacturing record, BMR, has been approved or rejected. Additionally, approved records can be revoked by authorized users if necessary. The batch record can be exported in PDF format, allowing for easy sharing, printing, and archival. The Batch Summary dashboard provides a comprehensive view of batch production performance, helping users monitor and analyze key aspects of the manufacturing process. Users can filter batch records either by asset or batch date. Double-clicking on batches will display detailed batch information. This includes total production, average duration, and any batch failures, enabling better analysis and monitoring of production performance. The dashboard provides insights into the overall consumption of individual raw materials, helping track material usage efficiently. Additionally, it features a visual representation of the batch chart, comparing duration versus quantity. The batch section will display a list of batches, either fetched from the ERP system or manually created batches. Users can refine the batch records by applying start time and end time filters, enabling precise analysis of specific production periods.